Hello everyone, today I will show you how to install Playstore in your computer or laptop. So I just provide full guide step by step, so don't skip my video. At first open your any browser. Now I'm opening my Chrome browser. Go to the search option, search set to BlueStack. Okay, go to this website. I'm just provide this link in my description box, so check my description box. After that, click on to download option. Okay, when download complete, you just click on to install. Okay, press on yes, click on. Okay, and you just get install option, then click on to install, then automatically install all process this BlueStack. Now I'm already installed this, so go out, open this, go to search option, search set to BlueStack. Just click on to open, and I'm getting this feature, so I just install on apps. So go to search option, search set to a game like PUBG, so click on, and just finally click on install from Google Play, then automatically install. Okay, press on yes. Now installing processing. Okay, now complete. Okay, to open PUBG. Now successfully get this. So that's it, that's how we can do it.